Elon Musk is producing combat bots to beat Russia. Elon Musk is working on combat bots that will help bring order back in Russia. A few years ago, Elon Musk announced the creation of a humanoid robot to assist humans with the tedious, time-consuming activities they despise doing. But now, the invasion of Ukraine by Russia has led to Elon Musk rethinking his whole approach to robots. Is Elon Musk producing combat bots? And how will these bots aid in the war with Russia? Welcome to the Tesla News Hangout. Today, we will discuss Elon Musk's new combat bots, their technology, and how they will aid in keeping Russia at bay. When Elon Musk made his announcements on the Tesla bots, everyone was in awe, especially when it came from a wise entrepreneur known for going beyond limits and achieving his goals. While the robot may not be able to handle all of your shopping needs, which would need a lot of physical labor, Musk proposed that it could go shopping for you. That was just the first level. After all, Elon Musk's promise was far more than we expected. Law enforcement could benefit from another version of this robot developed by Elon Musk. In the quest to aid the war in Ukraine, Elon will produce specialized combat bots for the armed forces. Let's begin by looking at what combat bots will be tasked with. Combat bots will enable cops to make arrests, conduct traffic stops, and deal with other high-stress situations more effectively and safely. Robots now support a wide range of functions such as surveillance, incident scene cleanup, bomb detonation, and even bomb defusing, things that police departments worldwide could greatly benefit from. Those are just a few examples of what these bots will be doing. Police robots have emerged in recent years. Most have had a wide range of responsibilities, from issuing speeding fines and monitoring the streets to arresting criminals and disarming bombs. They've evolved into a powerful instrument in the fight against crime, saving both time and lives. If that's true, you're probably asking yourself how a law enforcement robot could save lives. It's a good question. In the 2013 Boston Marathon bombings, authorities utilized a robot to help them discover the perpetrators, which could have reduced the number of casualties. Later, a guy opened fire on 5 Dallas police officers and threatened to kill more during a parking garage confrontation. A robot was sent to the area and retrieved an 8-pound C4 plastic explosive, avoiding possible casualties. In the age of ever-changing technology, you should not be surprised to see news about robots flooding the internet with references. While movies like The Terminator and iRobot's futuristic humanoid machines may appear frightening, the underlying technology of these machines is far different from what we see on screen. Although Musk's robots seem to be a departure from Tesla's car-making legacy, they are still being developed by the electric vehicle manufacturer. Tesla isn't your average automaker. You should keep that in mind. The so-called Tesla bot is an ideal sleek, 125-pound robot that will use Tesla's autopilot system and artificial intelligence to detect and avoid people and other potential hazards on the road. Most people express concerns and worry that robots will have the opposite effect of what we want them to. But the Tesla bot concept has a good basis in reality. Although it's part of Musk's business plan, the billionaire feels that he can ultimately make the world a better place using the Tesla bots. They will also traverse the world the same way people do, as Tesla's CEO Elon Musk stated when he announced the Tesla bots' superior technologies. Electric vehicles and autonomous vehicles are just the visible results of a far wider effort by Tesla to free us from our biological constraints and aid in the preservation of humanity. We're seeing progress in everything from self-driving cars and interplanetary launch vehicles to brain-machine interfaces. According to Elon Musk's futuristic vision, where technology serves as humanity's savior, humans working hand-in-hand with robots is feasible in the future. According to Musk's projects, humans will work in peace with intelligent robots and possibly merge a wide range of technologies, including sensors, actuators, energy infrastructures, data infrastructures, systems integrations, and tremendous gains in computer power, will form the basis of the future, as described by Musk. It is possible to create transformational changes in our planet with the help of these technologies. It's essential to consider the possibility that human technology will one day go beyond human capabilities, allowing us to achieve levels of intelligence unimaginable to us now. But before the technology can become superhuman, it must first be human, or at the very least capable of functioning in a world constructed by humans. Many of Tesla's innovations, notably its extensive use of optical cameras in the cars, are driven by this approach to innovation that makes technology more human. With the help of these gadgets, Tesla vehicles are some of the safest vehicles out there. The Tesla bots may be programmed to actively make decisions and act accordingly using a machine learning brain interface. Using the same optical pictures, the combat bots may navigate the road with ease like the Teslas. Human-like robots are only a step away from becoming more efficient than ever. A humanoid robot could be valuable to law enforcement, but it all depends on technology development. H Robots, a firm based in India, claims to have developed the world's first intelligent police robot. If you've ever wanted to see what it would be like to have a 5'7", suave-looking robot with cameras and an array of sensors connected to GPS, you'll want to check out Robocop. Almost all parts of the Tesla bot will be made in the United States. The Tesla bot will be designed to complement the city's security systems and is anticipated to be in use by July 2023. Prototyping robotic solutions have been taking place for the past 6 months at a facility known as the Makers Departing Lab in Hyderabad. The program's goal is not to replace humans, but rather to enhance their capabilities. The robot includes an interactive system that allows any citizen to report an event to the police from where it is stationed. Citizens can use video, audio, and photo evidence to document incidents. Additionally, users can access emergency services and submit sports-related incidents or even complaints to the safety and health staff via a capture option. A complaint number can be used to track the progress of a complaint. There are also plans to link each alarm system to the system for tracking complaints. Other features include 360 degrees of facial and gesture recognition and anti-theft measures. Musk recognized that this technology has the potential to benefit people in some way and is planning to incorporate all this in the prototypes of the Tesla bot. As Tesla's CEO Elon Musk has admitted, he controls Tesla's novel approach to cognitive autonomy and artificial intelligence. One of Tesla's most exciting projects is that this robot can act as an honest human police officer. There are a few gray areas in the Tesla automation, but it is typical for Tesla or Musk to keep quiet about a project of this nature. According to Tesla bot aficionado and YouTuber David Lee, Elon's nature to keep it to himself, Elon Musk may introduce the Tesla bots earlier than expected. Judging the fact that Musk has mentioned precisely how the Tesla bot will help the police suggests that these will be the most powerful and the best AI that will revolutionize the industry's landscape as we know it. Musk is also known to be concerned about the quality of his company's products for the general population. So we know that Musk will put all of his expertise and effort into this to produce a product that no one has ever seen before. While robots will revolutionize the healthcare, manufacturing, and military industries, security could also benefit greatly. Artificially intelligent machines capable of utilizing justifiable coercive force against human beings seem far-fetched but are likely to be used by the police in the future. By removing personnel from potentially dangerous circumstances, the combat bots may reduce the risk police face. Although robot use poses new challenges about how law and democracy should govern policing decisions, these questions have yet to be addressed systematically. We need a regulatory plan now to handle future difficulties that we can foresee when designing, regulating, or even prohibiting some usage of police robots. Police departments and other law enforcement agencies are increasingly using artificially intelligent robots to fight crime because they have proven to be a successful crime-fighting weapon that saves both time and lives. Could this be the ultimate weapon against Russia's invasion of Ukraine? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel Tesla News Hangout, where we talk about Elon Musk, Tesla, and SpaceX while you're at it. Hit the bell so you never miss any of our videos, as more exciting ones like this are on the way. I'll see you at the next one.